Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Redis data using RDB/AOF recovery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Redis data using RDB or AOF recovery, start by ensuring you have access to the Redis server. Identify the location of your RDB file or AOF file. For RDB recovery, confirm the RDB file is named dump.rdb in your Redis directory. If you're using AOF, the file should be named append-only.aof. Stop the Redis server before making any changes to avoid data corruption. Use the command sudo system stop Redis to safely shut down the server. Next, move the RDB or AOF file to the Redis data directory if it's not already there. For RDB, copy your dump.rdb file. For AOF, copy the append-only.aof file. Ensure the Redis user has the proper permissions for these files. Restart the Redis server using the command sudo system start Redis. Once the server is running, connect to your Redis instance using a client. For Redis CLI, type Redis CLI in your terminal. Check that your data is restored by using the command keys * to list all keys. If you're using AOF, make sure that the persistence mode is set to AOF in your Redis configuration file. Verify this by checking the append-only directive in your redis.conf. If you prefer to use RDB, set the save directive for automatic snapshots. Monitor the logs for any errors during the loading process. Once verified, your Redis data should now be successfully restored. Continue to run tests and queries to ensure data integrity. Regularly backup your RDB or AOF files for future recovery needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.